shopping, window shopping. You're only looking around. You're not buying, you're just trying to find the best deal in town. Well, you always give your kisses, but you never give your heart to anyone who's fool enough to fall. You don't feel love, you don't want real love. You're window shopping, that's all, and no parking. Shopping, just window shopping. You're only looking around. You're not buying, you're just trying to find the best deal in town. Well, you never always give your kisses, but you never give your heart to anyone who's fool enough to fall. You don't feel love, you don't want real love. You're window shopping, that's all. Give your heart to anyone who's fool enough to fall. You don't feel love, you don't want real love. You're window shopping, that's all. Yeah, you're window shopping, that's all.
I hope nobody saw that. Paul, you sound great.
Oh, thanks, Carmine. And I almost got all the words right.
You think anybody saw Tom and I putting up no parking signs?
Was it an important thing that you
Well, we were trying to get it done, and I think
you know what I like?
We ran a little late.
You know what I like about it?
What?
No one's going to be parking here.
That's right.
Temporarily.
Hey, we're back here at Carmine's Country Corner, and we don't really have a guest artist this week, and you know what? It feels pretty good.
Yeah.
I love all the guest artists, but, you know, this is just us, just a family. Tom's going to get up and do a couple with us. We might have Jimmy's going to do one. I might sing one. And we got Dan, and we got Paul kind of fronting the whole thing. So we're having a good time. Colleen showed up, and that is, again, Sophia, and you're the niece.
Our wonderful niece.
So which sister is her mother?
It's a good question.
Oh, Margaret, of course. Well, nice to see you. Thanks for coming today. Okay, so hey, we're here at Bob Smith Toyota. I'd like to mention them because they gave us this home. But, it's been a long time now. We're still here. That's pretty good. Ollie came by the shop again this week. His grandson, he wrote on my floor, left us some little notes to Susie and stuff.
Who did, Ollie?
Chuck, yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, we said just do it right there. And I'm sorry I missed you this time, Colleen. I got you last time. Susie was there though, right? Great. So you guys had fun.
We had a great time.
Okay, so we're going to do some music, and then I'm going to tell you a couple of other things that I thought were kind of fun that happened this week.
Oh, good.
Okay, so what do you got?
Let's do Working Man Blues.
Okay.
Well, it's a big job just getting by with 3 kids and a wife. I've been working that dang near all my life, and I'll keep on working long as these 2 hands are fit to use. Well, I drink my beer in the tavern, celebrate these working man blues. I keep my nose to the grindstone, work hard every day. I might get a little tight on the weekend after I've drawn my pay, but I go back to working. I gotta buy my kids a brand new pair of shoes. Well, I drink a little beer in the tavern, celebrate these working man blues. Sometimes I think about leaving, maybe do a little bumming around, throw my bills out the window, take a train to another town, but I go back to working. Come a Monday morning, I'm right back with the crew. Well, I drink a little beer in the evening, I'll be to these working man blues. Working man like me, ain't never been gonna be, cause I'll go back to work again. Just as long as these tin pans are fit to prick. Well, I bring my beer in the tavern, sing a little bit of these working man blues. Yeah, I'm gonna bring my beer in the tavern, cry a little bit of these working man blues. You know how it is.
Thank you, folks.
Yeah.
So I'm watching Pawn Stars this morning, and the reason I like the show is because you can learn a lot of good things. They bring in these old antiques, and they tell you how it came from England and who built it. And, you know, the Oldsmobile brothers used to have a bicycle company, and then they started making cars, and, you know, all this great information. And so this guy comes in. This is so funny. This guy comes in with a big, like a hope chest or like a trunk, you know, big thing. And Rick, the owner of the place, the father, I love that guy. He says, okay, so, you know, what about this? And the guy says, oh, it's been in my family for 200 years, and it's this and it's that. And he says, okay. He says, well, what do you want to do with it? The guy says, well, I want to sell it. He said, well, so what do you want for it? And the guy says, $7,000. And Rick says to him, gee, you know, I don't want to hurt your feelings, but I can give you $300. The guy says, okay. Just that fast. Like, he didn't even say, how about $350? I mean, he just said, okay. That's the funniest one I ever saw. That was
funny.
Great stuff.
You know, he was thinking, I don't want to take this thing home.
I don't want to have to lift it again.
All right, one more time.
Anyway, that's the best one I ever saw.
Who's here with us? Who's playing tonight?
Well, we're going to get Tom up in a little bit. Let him do a couple. You want to do one?
I thought you'd never ask.
Oh, man. Jimmy Eaton is not only playing steel guitar tonight. Man, he's singing too. Me.
Oh, me. Oh, it's not M-A, it's M-E. Me.
You know, it could be Mimi or it could be Mama.
Your mama could be Mimi. I'm going to do one.
I'm staying out of that one. Do the song.
I think you've lost control of the show.
That's absolutely true. I'm going to do a song that was written by an old friend of mine, Mr. John Dawson, of the New Riders of the Purple Sage.